dear friends, welcome to HSC Experts channel. Today we would like to introduce new chapter regarding types of scaffolding. And many HSC friends have doubt about types of scaffolding. So today we will going to clarify all those things. Tower scaffolding. A tower scaffold is an independent scaffold consisting of four vertical standards connected longitudinally and transversely, and two frames in plan connected transversely to create a scaffold of one bay. It may also have an extra short stabilizer bay or outriggers to increase stability. Bridge scaffolding. Bridge scaffolding is one of the most complex jobs. These structures must be well established, allowing access to all areas along the bridge. Unlike traditional scaffolding, bridge scaffolding does not sit on the ground, but instead it is fixed to the bridge itself. So installation works are very important in this case. Cantilevered scaffolding. Cantilevered scaffolding is a form of scaffolding that is usually used to overcome obstacles that prevent a scaffolding tower being erected or reduce the chances of damage occurring to the structure beneath the cantilevered area. Independent scaffolds. Independent scaffolds follow the same principle as put-log scaffolds but are freestanding. Put-logs are replaced with 5-feet tubes, and a row of standards and ledgers are erected on the inside as well as the outside to provide support. In addition, diagonal bases are fitted between standards to give stability. Birdcage scaffolding. Birdcages consist of scaffolding bays joined together to provide large areas of continuous access. They are typically used in large buildings where access to the ceiling is required, needing continuous access at high levels. Truss-out scaffold. A truss-out scaffold is an independent tied scaffold not erected from the ground but supported by a scaffolding structure projecting from the face of a building or structure. Mobile scaffolds. Mobile scaffolds are a type of supported scaffold set on wheels. They are designed to be easily moved and are commonly used for painting, plastering, and electrical works, where works must frequently change position. Suspended scaffolding. The suspended scaffolding is highly efficient modern overhead operation equipment capable of replacing a traditional scaffolding and being reused. Generally, the suspended scaffolding can be divided into two types: manual and electric.